In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a priority list that actually works in Clickup. Start by opening Clickup and going to the Overview area in your workspace. This is a helpful starting point because it gives you access to your space navigation and the tools you need to build a consistent priority workflow. Once you are on the Overview screen, look for the highlighted area in the top navigation where you can access more options. From there, click Templates. Templates are useful because they give you a proven structure, so you are not building a priority list from scratch. In the Templates library, find and select Project/Deal Closing Checklist. This template is designed to keep work organized and visible, which makes it much easier to prioritize what matters most. Next, click Use Template. You will see another Use Template button as Clickup confirms where the template should be applied. Click Use Template again to finish creating it in your workspace. This second confirmation is important because it ensures the template is placed correctly and creates the views that come with it. After the template is added, switch into the view called Project by Phase. This view groups tasks by the stage they are in, which helps you quickly see what is coming up, what is in progress, and what is close to being done. Once you are in Project by Phase, click the highlighted area again in the view bar so you can move between the different ways. Clickup can display the same tasks. Now select Project Status Board. A board view is one of the most practical ways to manage priorities because it gives you a clear visual layout that you can scan in seconds. Then click Project Due Date to focus on time-sensitive work. Using due dates alongside a board view helps your priority list stay realistic because items with deadlines rise to the top of your attention. Next, click Board to make sure you are working in the board format for organizing tasks by status and urgency. Finally, click Project by Phase again to return to that grouped layout whenever you need a phase-based view of the same prioritized work. That covers everything you need to know.